Instead of fighting like we dismissed, maybe we just need another split. We just need to slow down, fuck another round. Cause it's like we both just been on set. I'll give her nothing, you ain't got shit to say. Gotta just relax, been a long day. She said she agreed, she smiled and looked at me. She said, roll again.
And get the job done to pussy cloth.
Stop playing. Come to Lincoln. Come to Lincoln when? Alright, what time should I slide? Now I'm taking matters into my own hands. Fuck it. Security just go after, you know what I'm saying? Catch me. I'm through the vibes. What are you talking about? Since we not sanctioning this shit, we just gonna pull up. Niggas is not saying, how the fuck you saying no to 30 niggas? 30 niggas from uptown and then through the bushes, nigga. There's bushes. I'm creeping through the bushes to Lincoln. Alright, somebody tag the plug. Who's the actual plug? Like, who's the person to talk to? You know how every college they gonna have one mom ass shorty in the college that just like she just want to be the president of the earth, so she just like the go-to contact for everything responsible in the school. Who was that one senior or that one junior? Because sometimes it'd be the junior. Who was that? Point me in the direction of the one shorty. There's always one shorty, and she wear glasses, the big thick ass glasses too. But when she take off her glasses, she's dumb fire. You know exactly what I'm talking about. Every school got at least one. Got at least one. She took off her glasses at one event. Sabrina? Sabrina? What? You didn't even realize her ass was fat. Stop going live, babe, and pick up the phone. Hello, miss. Y'all don't even be greeting me or nothing. Y'all just get on the joint with y'all smooth ass lines. Y'all be saying some smooth ass shit. And I don't be having no fire ass shit to say back. I'm just, oh really? Is that so? Y'all be saying some smooth, like cocoa butter smooth shit. But like, oh, that's a fact. Oh, that's what your heart desires. We can do that. We can do that. Nah, we can do that too. I'm here for it. You heard? Don't call me these things, miss. You slick too, though. Who's slick? Ain't nobody slick, miss. I don't know what you talking about, miss. I be chilling. You heard? I be chilling. You heard? Nah, she was giving me more like a sexy ass like mixed breed of like Danny Lay and like. Now you know what? Mariah Lane kind of sexy too. Mariah Lane, she can get, you know what I'm saying? It's a bit of corny that she said. I feel like I really don't really see Mariah Lane as that corny. That once upon a time, not long ago, I was a hoe. I'm not mad at that. She was speaking her truth. That's poetry. Okay. I'm not mad at that science, you know. So I fuck with Mariah Lane, but she was giving me more Danny Lay with the tan and the like. She look like she do like shorties that got the big hair like that. All they do is this right here. That's all they do every fucking 5 minutes. They be like, just shaking it, just they had abs. They see a nigga that they like. Hi, my name is. Facts. Why we can't? We can still grab one, but it's long. Look at Houston. This is regular. I want to drive them shits. What y'all be running them earlier? No, the what you gonna do? Oh, the slingshot. You with that dude already? What, slingshot? Yeah, that shit's funny. My brother got it. It's mad wind though. Mad what? Wind. You need glasses. Wind? Oh, that's annoying. That got there. Sliding like this. You be in there with the goggles? Not the goggles, more like these. You be having the COVID Ranger masks? Yeah. Big glass joints? Nah. You gotta hit it. You gotta hit it with the The niggas that didn't want to wear masks, y'all used to wear the. I remember y'all from last year. Remember them niggas? The big glasses with headbands and shit. With the glass. I remember y'all.
That shit one time it started pouring raining, nigga. I had to get a trash bag. What? I had to get a trash bag. I'm sliding like this. Bare rain. Not looking cool at all.
I would have still did it. I would have looked cool as fuck. Hell yeah. And I put on a poncho. Great poncho. One thing I don't give a fuck.
That shit. Yo, rain hurt. When you driving fast.
Walk me through this. What do you mean rain hurt?
When it's pouring down and you driving, we have been in drop top where it's raining already. Yo, just think about you going 60 on a highway, the rain is smacking the shit out. I'm telling you, y'all, that shit hurt, nigga. I'm like, yo, I never knew water could be the face.
LeBron hood is not crazy. That's how I feel. I'm from Akron. No, you do not. You made that shit right the fuck up. You do not live in nobody. You not from nobody's Akron, Ohio. Miss York Gallus? Of course, we play it all the time. In Akron, Ohio, miss. I'm serious. I'm serious. Yo. I don't know, man. I'm gonna slide to Ohio. Cleveland and all that. I'm serious. Check your DM. Oh, you got a song for us? It's some sensual shit. You want a song like boom, tap, tap, boom, tap, tap, oh, boom, tap, tap. It's sweaty. We giving a sweaty song to the people. What we doing, just Brittany? Don't even think about the people here. It's just us, just Brittany. It's just me. It's just Captain, just you. What we doing? It's a steamy song. Yeah, my fault. What this nigga talk about? Some sexy shit. Oh, my fault. What she talking about? What she said? What we say in this song? I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna drag it though. Don't say that, cause I'm gonna drag it. Now it's all types say. Ankle behind your earlobe. Oh, they knocking, we can't even hear those.
Oh, God.
Oh, shit. No, I got you though. I'm gonna check the vibe and we're gonna get it soon. Type shit. Just...
Look.
Okay. Yeah, man. Photo bomb. I don't know why they would do that in front of this window like it wasn't a good play.
Look at the back, like.
They gonna look at the back of the.
They ain't gonna see it.
Look at them. They knew what was going on. They saw us.
Dr. Pepper is good though. I know Dr. Pepper is good. Look at you trying to find some common ground, something to relate on. I'm drinking Coke right now.
She said, I seen the vlogs. I'm familiar with your palette, and I heard you,
Can't get in without a wristband. Hey, the jokes come in. It's a joke fest. Yes. Tell a joke, Chris Rock get treated like well. Chill. Ooh. Acapella just letting you know Houston miss you. How Houston miss me if I'm on my way to Houston right now? That make no sense, miss. If you use your Nugo. Nah, I'm sliding, miss. I'm on my way. Make sure you, when I come to Houston, you and all your fire ass friends. You feel me? It's me at the airport. Feel me? Feel me? Let you do this. So I'm gonna try the airport. I'm gonna come like this. I gotta be like. Now I'm gonna know who's there for me. Come to Ohio. Oh, Ohio? You're making shit up. You don't live in nobody's fucking Ohio. People don't really live there. Nah, I'm joking. I know two shorties back to back that come from Ohio. Mind you, they're back to back. You know what city they said they're from? Akron, Ohio, where LeBron is from. They're lying. They're making shit up. They're not from nobody's fucking Akron. They just be trying to be exotic. Because if you from Ohio, you exotic to me. If you from Ohio, you basically foreign because you making shit up. Your dreads real? Nah, man. eBay. Amazon. I got some of these from Amazon, some of them from eBay. Walmart had a sale on the back dread, so you know I had to snag a few. You know what I'm saying? I said, what a bargain. Y'all be asking some dumbass questions on this live. I'm not even gonna lie to you. My shit look like yarn, string. My shit look like faux bobs, the fox locks. Fox locks. Well, thank you. If it, you know, if it's given that, thank you. You heard my fault. You heard. Are you on a plane? Nah, man. At a 2 train. Soon get off at 2:41. Soon get 3 more stops. Yeah. You playing with us for real? I am. Watch. We already one about to drop. Can you sing a little for us? No. Are you in Rhode Island? You gonna hear me today though? You slide to Rhode Island, Providence. You gonna hear me in the flesh type shit. You got allergies? No, that's just my eye. It just be like that. Remember how this shorty? I wonder if my shit can tell the weather. I gotta recognize her pattern, because this should just be doing that. Remember when the shorty in Mean Girls, she could tell the weather from her titties? I'm not bugging, I'm dead ass. The shorty from Mean Girls.
You don't need that.
Nah, that's some smack shit. But I'm dead ass though.
I'm gonna take it, bro. I gotta eat my other food first.
Maybe my shit. It was the mom with no, it wasn't the mom. It was the shorty. The mom had the rock hard titties.
What the fuck is this?
If you don't know what I'm talking about, first of all, you're a bum. You uncultured swine. You feel me then? It's a classic, you heard. But yeah, the dog was chewed on them so hard. She didn't even feel that shit, you heard. So I'm coming to a sooner than you heard. I'm level 2 fall. I'm up the block, you heard. Yeah, where you live in? In Toronto? What's the other one? Ontario? Nah, there's another one. Damn, this. Where the fuck is that festival? I'm headlining with Ty Dolla $ign and them. It's in. Nah, I'm on. Think. The frig. What the frig? Name again. What the hell? I'm about to get tight. It's Toronto, then there was some other shit. It's all good. I forgot. Vancouver. Sydney, if I name. What that body butter? Hear her about I love hotel soap. It's a rough ass pussy. Her pussy is trash. She said I love hotel soap.
What?
Miss. Now with yo, what in the world?
You love it?
She said I love hotel soap.
Losing it.
Concrete vagina. She said, me is that girl, me not fight over, man. Okay, be nice, now I am my fault, bitch. Yo, I'm for real, I love it. We ain't say we ain't believe you. We just saying it's unfortunate that your pussy so strong. Yo, a pussy will hand you back your kids. Hand you them shits back. I believe you left these. I believe you left these. Throw the kids right back. Nah, my fault, y'all.
I said,
My fault, y'all. Nah, don't done me, y'all. Don't write no thought pieces.
She said, Daddy, chill. I don't know why I just read that in my head. Bad dramatic. Why do you say it like that? He said, Daddy, chill. That's how y'all be calming down, y'all niggas. When he fighting or he about to fight somebody. Let me pray, y'all. Especially when I come to y'all cities and the niggas be mad as shit because the shorty be singing their hot sound. She don't want nobody here, and the niggas be having their arms folded like this. And then they start pacing back and forth like throwing this right here. Like, cause I be looking at the shorties right in their eyes like, but I'm on. I be looking at right in their soul. And nigga be right there, but I don't care. I be having, you know what I'm saying? Niggas be tight. That's how y'all be calming the niggas down? When he, oh no, fuck out of here. Y'all be like, Daddy, chill. Daddy, chill. I think that would piss me off more. I think that would make me want to pop out the nigga more. Daddy, chill. Yo. Let me get a bite. You will hope it's romantic, man. You be doing corny shit like, give me a kiss right now on the phone. That's you. That's your type. Give me a kiss right now. No, babe. Give me a kiss right now. And her ass is dumb fast, so you gotta be like, you gotta make sure nobody's watching. You'll be like, I didn't hear it. I didn't hear it. No, you hang up. What the fuck? No, you hang up. Yeah. That's about to be me and young Ash, y'all. Y'all better be like, damn, they annoying as fuck. The fact that your song started playing, that you went on live. Look at you sweating me. Not her seeing the notification. Let's see. Capella Gray is now live, so she's gonna play Gallus real quick. Miss, I'm here for it. I'm sweating you too, miss. Feel me? With your long ass neck, with your model face. You got a model face, miss. Your limbs is, feel me? Everlasting limbs. I'm here for all of it. Do you have a wristband? See, hey. Hold on, let me pin her comment. Because she's funny, y'all. Everybody else funny, and she just the funniest. I'll see, hey. Yeah, hello, homie. This is your boy, the motivational and inspirational speaker and entertainer. Big fan, you can add me in the live, brother, and give me a few minutes to talk to you, brother. Please add. No, sir, I'm not gonna lie to you. It was a shorty that maybe, but this is not that live for that. But I appreciate you heard. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate you being motivational and vibing responsibly. You heard? There's a lot of shorties in this live. You heard? It's told one of the shorties in the live. My fault, I'm eating a meal right now. You sound like you're about to say some very powerful shit on this live. Get in here. I don't even want to. Nah, for real, I'm sorry. Nah. Just hit me up with me. I missed a couple weeks with Ash, baddie from the Bronx. Look good, vibes good, pretty face, ass fat, you crazy. Own bag, own hair, own booty, it's hers, my fault, shit like that, and shit like that.
I do need to find something to wear.
The pool party?
That shit finna be a movie.
I'm in the pool party like this. Ladies, follow me. Thanks, I'm in the pool party with. Follow me, my love.
I'm serious. I'm serious.